Dear students, welcome back to online GK class. We will go through part 3, chapter 4, puzzle time. In this section, we should have to find out the blank columns. We should have to fill the blank columns. That will be the answers of sum of two numbers. Here they already given an example. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Also 5 plus 3 equals 8. In the same way, they have given 6, 5, 7. We should have to find out the answers of these three columns. 6 plus 5, answer is 11. 5 plus 7 equal to 12. 12 plus 11, answer is 23. The next one is, the given numbers are 12, 4, 5. So 12 plus 4 equals 16. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 16 plus 9, 25. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. The next one is, the given numbers are 13, 12 and 30. 13 plus 5 equal to 18. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And 18 plus 12 equal to 30. Next one is, the given numbers are 40, 21 and 8. 10 plus 11 equal to 21. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 21 plus 19 is equal to 40. Here the given numbers are 16, 18, 72. 16 plus 18, answer is 34. 18 plus 20 is equal to 38. 34 plus 38 is equal to 72. Here this section is over. B. Solve the following riddles. In this section, you should have to find out the answers by your own, and later you can cross-check with the answer I given here. Jane's mother has 3 children. The eldest child is April and the youngest child is June. What is the name of the second child? Answer is May. April, May, June. Okay, April came first, second one is May, and third one is June. What weighs more, a kilogram of paper or a kilogram of chicken? Both are equal because both are weighing, each one is weighing 1 kilogram. So the weight is same. I am an odd number. take away one letter and I become even. What the number am I? Answer is 7. If 7 is odd number and if we take away one number, it will become 6. 6 is even number. What 4-letter word becomes harder when you add 2 letters to it? The word is hardest. C. Fill in the missing boxes and solve the puzzle. Here they given few numbers and also they given blank boxes also. We have to find out the blank boxes. Seven minus dash is equal to 2. Answer is 5. 5 plus 2 equal to dash 7. Dash plus 7 is equal to 9. Answer is 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 7 plus dash is equal to 8. Answer is 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to dash. Answer is 1. Again, 4 plus 2 is equal to dash. Answer is 6. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Here they have given 2 blank boxes. 9 is the given number. So 9 minus 7, I given 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Here dash minus 1 is equal to 7. Answer is 8. Here 8 plus dash is equal to 9. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Few sets of containers that contains juice, and we have to find out which container each student purchased. They have given some clues. Ria brought maximum quantity of juice. Firstly, we will go through Ria. Here mentioned Ria purchased maximum quantity of juice. In this section, 1 liter, 100 ml, 500 ml, 250 ml. Different quantity of juice they given here, and the quantity is like 1 liter, 100 ml, 500 ml and 250 ml. So which is the maximum quantity? 1 liter. So Ria purchased 1 liter set of containers. Okay. The second person, Neha. Neha brought the most containers, but the same quantity of juice that Parul brought. Here the clue is Neha and Parul bought the same type of set of containers, but the clue is most containers. In this section, most containers has maximum containers like 250 ml. 250 ml has 1, 2, 3, 4 containers. The rest of them are 3 and 2. So most containers here are 250 ml. It means Neha and Parul brought 250 ml containers. Here Neha brought 250 ml. Parul also brought 250 ml containers. The last one is Rashmi brought the least amount of juice. Which set of containers of juice did each person bring? Rashmi, so the least quantity of or least amount of containers might be 100 ml. Okay, so Rashmi brought 100 ml set of containers. So you have to write here 100 ml. Is it clear? Chapter 5, Body and Health. In this section, we will learn about some facts about our body and our health. A. State whether the following statements are true or false. The nails on our middle finger grow faster than the other fingernails. Answer is true. Babies start shedding tears from the time they are born. Answer is false. Third one. Babies can only see things in black and white when they are born. Answer is true. Fourth one. Our ears and nose remain the same size throughout our life. Answer is false. Fifth one. Teeth are the only part of the human body that cannot repair itself. Answer is true. Train your brain. You should have to find out the answer, but even though you can cross check with the answer I given here. Match the phrases with their meaning. The first one is cold shoulder. Answer is to ignore someone. Answer is to ignore someone. 2. Half-hearted. Answer is without energy. Third one is rule of thumb. Answer is usual way to do things. Fourth one is break a leg. Answer is good luck.